everything for their own benefit from everybody else. And that I was very upset about. And so when Putin first showed up and said he was going to tame the oligarchs, I was the biggest fan of that particular concept. And then I realized that what he meant by taming the oligarchs was by sticking law enforcement people in their place. And so now you have a bunch of law enforcement people who are essentially organized criminals with unlimited power to ruin lives, take property, and do whatever they like. And that's far worse than anything that I've ever seen in Russia before. Russia is essentially a criminal state now.
So where's this all going to end up? Clearly you've made very powerful enemies, but you're not going to go quietly.
We're not going to let it rest until the people who are responsible for the death of Sergei Magnitsky face justice. This is something which, as a human being, I couldn't, with a clean conscience, allow that man to die in vain unless the people who did this to him face justice.